Alright, today we're doing a tool tip on using a biscuit joiner. Now everybody's been doing this lately, telling you all the great benefits of the new biscuit joiners and everything, and they do work pretty good, but there's one little secret to using the biscuit joiner. And if you look at here on my boards, you see these lines with all the arrows? Well, that's the way these boards need to go together, and it also tells you which surface you're working on, which is the key. And whenever you need to cut one, this one right here in particular, when you cut this biscuit right here, you need to rotate this board head to toe and cut it here. See, that way this same surface is where you're cutting your biscuits. Otherwise, it's almost impossible to get this thing set up to where that cut is dead center in that board. So, you know, it's probably not going to happen. And this old ryobi, well, you know, it's not one of the best there is out there. So that's the key. When you cut these boards, the biscuits in them, put you an arrow here so you'll know which surface you're working with and where they go in relation to where you cut those holes. And then you'll get one of these that's, you know, that thing's pretty good across through there. Of course, it, you know, those my 4-way pressure clamps make it look, you know, better anyway. So that's my tip for today. I got to turn big fan back on because it's hot in here. Bye.